ट्रेलर पे कैसा लगा, अच्छा बुरा?
आड़ो
एक नंबर।
क्या झूठ बोल रहे हैं?
ठीक ठाक है, समझ में आ रहा है कुछ? नहीं, आप अलग से आना बहन, मैं समझाऊंगा। ओके, अब आप सवाल आप पूछ सकते हैं।
हाय इम्तियाज।
थैंक यू।
इम्तियाज आलोक हियर फ्रॉम ओएफएम सेंटर में। आप सवाल ये है कि ये टैग लाइन क्या है, व्हाई ऑलवेज द सेम स्टोरी, इसके पीछे क्या क्या है?
क्या होता है ना कि अक्सर एक ही तरह की चीजें होती है जिंदगी में, फिर हम ब्लेम करते हैं कि हालात ऐसे थे, क्या करें, वी कुडंट, दिस इज हाउ इट हैपेंस, सच इज लाइफ, एटसेट्रा एटसेट्रा, एंड यू फॉल प्रे to the same situation that somebody else has before you, and you become an engineer or a doctor or an actor, but you never become who you are really, an individual, जो आप दरअसल हो। तो वही कहानी फिर एक बार हो जाती है आपके साथ भी, unless and until you take control of your life and you change that. So यार मुझे नहीं मजा आ रहा, मैं इसको चेंज करूंगा, अपनी एंडिंग खुद बनाऊंगा, और फिर एक दूसरे तरह का तमाशा होता है।
रणबीर एंड दीपिका, आपसे भी जानना चाहेंगे कि ऐसा क्या आप नहीं करते हैं जिसकी वजह से कोई तमाशा हो जाए? अक्सर हम कहते हैं ना कि यार तमाशा ना बन जाए, कुछ ऐसी चीजें जो आप, जिन चीजों का बेहद ख्याल रखते हैं।
देखिए, मेरा तो मानना है कि हम एक्टर्स हैं, हम शो बिजनेस में हैं, सो जब तमाशा होता है तो अच्छी बात होती है, गुड या बैड, बट आई थिंक एक हद होता है, आप हद को पार नहीं कर सकते। लेकिन ये आई थिंक ये अच्छी चीज़ है कि ये तमाशा बना। ये मेरी दूसरी फिल्म है इम्तियाज के साथ, दूसरी फिल्म है साजिद भाई के साथ, मेरी तीसरी फिल्म है दीपिका के साथ, और मेरी 11वीं फिल्म है सिद्धार्थ रॉय कपूर के साथ। सो आई एम रियली एक्साइटेड टू वर्क विद दिस टीम। आई थिंक एज एन एक्टर रॉकस्टार ने मुझे बहुत कुछ सिखाया, बहुत कुछ दिया, लॉट ऑफ सक्सेस, लॉट ऑफ अवार्ड्स, लॉट ऑफ रिवॉर्ड्स, लॉट ऑफ लर्निंग. I learned a lot working with Deepika. We started our second film together, बचना है, फिर हमने जब जवानी दीवानी की थी, वो बहुत बड़ी हिट हुई थी. And I think I got to learn a lot just to see her growth as an actor. क्योंकि मैं वो 5 साल के बीच we never worked together. लेकिन जब हमने वो फिल्म में काम किया, तो just to see her grow as an actor and to this extent was really heartwarming and was really encouraging and really inspiring for me. तो मेरे लिए तमाशा is very special, to come with this team together. And I really hope that the people give the film a chance at the theaters and they enjoy the film.
दीपिका, कुछ कहना चाहिए?
I forgotten your question listening to him. Sorry.
आप एक दूसरे सवाल का जवाब दे दीजिए। खुली सड़क पे मटर गश्ती कर पाती हैं आप भारत में?
I think it depends on each individual what they want to do. I don't think there's anything that an actor can't do. I think it depends on everything that comes with being in the limelight or with being a public figure. So can he and me do matar gashti in the middle of the road? Of course we can. If we want to, of course we can. But will it be convenient not for us, but will it be convenient for people around us? Maybe not. So I think it depends on the situation.
Hi, Rashmi here from Asmani. I just wanted to ask Imtiaz, actually, this movie was originally called Window Seat, right? We had heard, and yeah. And now it's called Tamasha, which is a very different kind of name. So what prompted the change, and why do you think this is a more appropriate title?
I think first it was a producer's call.
I've made highway also.
Very often there's a working title to a script that you're writing. For instance, Jab We Met was called Train, or Love Aajkal was called Elastic. These are all working titles. You got to write it. It never really.
Saif Ali Khan and Deepika in Elastic.
Rockstar was called Rockstar. So in this case, it was called Window Seat, but it was not a title for the film. It was just a working title.
Ranbir, Deepika, hi. Deepika, firstly, I loved the way you come into the trailer of this film. जिस तरीके से आपने डायलॉग बोले हैं वो फिरंगी को, वैसा कुछ डायलॉग अभी मतलब विदाउट सेंसर अगर लाइव अनसेंसर्ड रियल दीपिका पादुकोण कुछ बोल के देखा तो मजा आ जाएगा सर।
पहला चीज है
नहीं है इसीलिए। दीपिका एक बार प्लीज।
Another tip.
Alright, what would be that one story, you know, यहाँ पे why always the same story? What would be that one story from Ranveer and Deepika, your personal lives, जो एक बार आप फिर से दोबारा दोहराना चाहोगे?
I think the success of Ye Jawani Hai Diwani. This film, I think वो definitely दोहराना चाहेंगे.
Deepika?
I have to agree with him.
Sajid bhai also agrees. That's it.
Hi, Deepika.
I would say the experience of Tamasha.
Hi, I'm from the Buzz Diary. My question is to both Ranveer and Deepika. Like in the trailer, we see you guys like. I think Ranveer has a fake life. He has gone out of a mold and doing things. Do you ever feel like that in real life as a celebrity? That you guys need to go to some place in the world and just forget about it and live like that in the movie? Like living like how? It's in the movie, fake. You want to like leave everything behind and go somewhere?
Absolutely not. Nobody wants to leave anything behind. But I think in the movie, what you see, the characters Ved and Tara, when they meet in Corsica, they decide, we are here for this period of time. Let's just not give our identities out, because what happens is everything becomes a routine. You know, I will tell you who I am, you will tell me who you are, then this will happen, then I'll hit on you, and then finally we'll have an affair, and then you'll fall in love with me. So they just wanted to really have the time of their lives, and they wanted to do it with abandon, without any judgment, without anything. We all want to do that in our lives. You know, sometimes it's not possible, that's why we make movies about it. But I believe that whatever film Imtiaz Ali makes, he has done it in his life for sure.
Is that true?
That is true, because whenever he used to narrate a scene to me and Deepika, we always used to say, "Sir, ye aapne kiya hai na?" Because it's so real. At the same time, it is so new. You know, like there is no sense of okay, yeah, we have heard of this, yeah, ye kahin dekha hai. That's why his dialogues, his language, his moments are very new when you see them, especially the love story side of Imtiaz Ali. So, sir, have you done this in your life? Gone and lived in abandon, called people Jhand Fakir, Suar Ki Aulad?
Sir, are you a press member?
No, sir, but this is a pressing matter and I really want to say.
Thank you.
Hi, Ranveer and Deepika.
Do you believe like Bollywood में या the celebrity की life थोड़ी fake होती है इंसान की? People say, what do you believe and इस तरह का तमाशा क्या कहना है?
Good question.
Okay, he said, okay. Is it fake? I don't think it's fake. I just think that, no, I would say that sometimes it probably comes with certain responsibilities, you know, and maybe then that's why one has to, you know, maybe that's why you have to carry yourself a certain way and be careful about what you say or not, depending on how each person decides to lead their own life. But for the people who do and realize that, you know, sometimes that it comes with a little bit of responsibility. You have the youth who looks up to you. You know, if you're role models for people, then I guess at some level, I think the most ideal case would be if you can live your life the way you want to and find the balance of being responsible and realizing that you have responsibilities towards your fans and the audience. So if you can find that balance, then nothing like it.
छोड़ो बोरिंग बातें साली, मस्त रहो जम के खाओ, ले लो पंगे चढ़ लो सूली, खोल दो बंधन खोल दो लस्सी, बोल दो किस्सा सभी जनों का दिल बहलाओ, शोर मचाओ मारो ठुमका, फेंक बिखेरू मन की चांदी, दिल का सोना आंख की मोती सब अर्पित है आपकी खातिर। हम आपके नौकर हैं मालिक, टाई पहनकर लिफ्ट में चढ़कर फिर आएंगे आपके आंगन, वही करेंगे जो रोज किया है, वो फिर से करेंगे फिर से करेंगे फिर से करेंगे। अच्छा बेटा, कभी इधर तो कभी उधर, अंदर क्या है, अंदर क्या है, कौन से रंग का दिल है तेरा, क्या चाहता है, बोलो बोलो, जवाब दो जवाब दो।
Hi, Ranveer and Deepika. Hello. The two of you share a sizzling chemistry in this trailer. And, you know, Ranveer Singh had famously...
क्या कि हम शॉट के पहले वो योको का सिजलर प्लेटर बुलाते थे।
You know, Ranveer Singh had famously said that Deepika feels that her chemistry with you is the best. So I want to ask you, do you feel the same way? And Deepika, you also have Bajirao Mastani coming up. So if I forced you to choose, which chemistry do you think is better?
Do we always have to like pick one over the other? No, I don't think so. First of all, it was in context to something completely else and something completely different. No, I think it depends on the kind of film. I think it depends on the way the characters are written. I think it depends on what a director can extract from the two actors that he's cast. Can I compare Ranveer and me in Tamasha or Ye Jawani to Ranveer and me in Ram Leela Bajirao? No, I can't. Because we're playing completely different characters. There is a certain kind of baggage or backstory or whatever's that required of each character, and you execute that. So I think it really depends on the film and on the characters and what the director can extract from the actors.
And Ranveer, your thoughts?